The legal battle against John Bolton is unlike any other case targeting critics of former President Donald Trump, and it's raising eyebrows for all the right or wrong reasons. While Trump has openly pushed for investigations into figures like James Comey and Letitia James, Bolton's case stands out as potentially the most serious and legally grounded of them all. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a legitimate prosecution or a politically motivated strike against a vocal Trump critic? Let's dive in. Trump's disdain for his detractors is no secret. Just last month, he took to Truth Social, declaring, "We can't delay any longer. It's killing our reputation and credibility." He's repeatedly referenced his own legal battles, 2 impeachments and 5 indictments, while calling for accountability from those who've crossed him. Comey and James have already faced charges, but many legal experts argue these cases appear politically driven and weak on evidence. Bolton's situation, however, is different. Comparing Bolton's charges to Comey's and James is like comparing apples to oranges, said Mark Lesko, former acting U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of New York. Bolton faces federal charges for allegedly mishandling classified information, a far more serious offense than the cases against other Trump critics. Since leaving the White House in 2019, Bolton has been unapologetically critical of Trump, even labeling him stunningly uninformed in his memoir. But is this indictment retaliation, or does it hold water? Here's the part most people miss. The evidence against Bolton suggests a stronger case than those against Comey or James. Prosecutors allege that Bolton improperly retained and transmitted classified documents, some labeled top secret, to family members using insecure methods like AOL. Worse, a hacker reportedly gained access to his account, threatening to unleash the biggest scandal since Hillary Clinton. Its emails were leaked. On Friday, Bolton pleaded not guilty to 18 charges, but the details paint a troubling picture. The misconduct alleged here is both more serious and appears to have occurred over a significant period of time, noted Carissa Byrne-Hessick, a law professor at the University of North Carolina. Unlike other cases, Bolton's indictment follows a traditional legal process, with a detailed document outlining the facts, a stark contrast to Comey's brief 2-page indictment. This has led some to argue that the Justice Department is on firmer ground here, but the timing is hard to ignore. Bolton's indictment comes on the heels of charges against Comey and James, reigniting debates about political pressure on the justice system. Trump once called Bolton a sleazebag and suggested he belonged in jail. Coincidence or calculated move? The timing has raised questions about the strength of these charges and why they're being brought now, said Jamil Jaffer of George Mason University's National Security Institute. Yet, he added, if the Justice Department proves its case, Bolton's actions may well have violated the law. Charging a high-ranking official like Bolton for mishandling classified documents is rare but not unprecedented, according to Carrie Cordero of the Center for a New American Security. These cases are challenging, but can be brought against officials at any level. Bolton's case also echoes Trump's own classified documents scandal at Mar-a-Lago and Biden's mishandling of documents as vice president, though both escaped criminal charges. So, is Bolton's case a legitimate prosecution or a politically charged retaliation? The government must prove he knowingly transmitted classified information to unauthorized individuals. A high bar, but not impossible. As Jaffer pointed out, because of the classified nature of the material, we don't have all the details. But if the evidence holds up, this could set a precedent for how such cases are handled in the future. And this is where it gets even more intriguing. Could Bolton's case be a turning point in how we view accountability for mishandling classified information? Or is it just another chapter in the ongoing saga of political retribution? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Bolton's indictment is justified, or is it a politically motivated attack? The debate is far from over.